Hey, what's up? You're watching Ready, Set, Drone, and today I have the Mavic Air 2, and I've got some bright orange props from Master Airscrew on this thing. I've been flying with these for a while. I want to tell you about them, so stay tuned. This is the Mavic Air 2. You might already be familiar with it. It has become my kind of camera drone workhorse for anything that doesn't require a 1-inch sensor. It does 4K 60 frames per second, and it is so small. It's got great flight time. It's got a lot of great attributes. And now I have been loving it even more because I've got these Master Airscrew props on it. Now, these Master Airscrew props are called stealth props. I will tell you they're not stealth. They still make about the same amount of noise, but they make that noise at a lower frequency. So when you hear this thing, it actually sounds less annoying to the human ear because the frequency is slightly lower than with the regular DJI drones. I'll demonstrate that for you in a moment. All right, so one other thing to note, I am flying with the DJI Smart Controller, which does support the Mavic Air 2. I can't say enough good things about the Smart Controller. I have a whole review of it when it first came out. It is definitely a upgraded experience than flying with your phone because you can use your phone for other stuff, which is so nice, and you don't have to mess with all that stuff. We are flying right now in normal mode, so I'm gonna go ahead and spin up the props and take it off. And again, I don't know if you can hear that right now, but that is pretty darn quiet for a drone. The Mavic Air 2, of course, is already pretty quiet, but right now with the props on it, the Master Airscrew stealth props, it just doesn't have a very annoying sound. Let me bring it over here closer to me. Of course, it's beeping because of the forward sensors. But yeah, it's very smooth. You know, there's a little bit of breeze today. You can see it moving just slightly, but that's not the props causing any shake. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I have a decibel meter right here, and you can hear as I'm talking, or hopefully you can see as I'm talking, the numbers changing. I'm gonna just do a comparison where I'm gonna try and stand in exactly the same spot, hold it at exactly the same height, and hover the drone in exactly the same spot, and just look at what the decibel meter says with the original props on versus the Master Airscrew props. So let's see if it actually is quieter to the decibel meter, not just the human ear. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take off. Bring it over here. And I'm gonna rotate it so it's facing that way so that I don't have the beeping of the sensors. All right, so I've got a little marker on the ground. I don't hear them beeping. Just try to get it right in the right spot. And it's in GPS mode, so it should stay there. Gonna have it about the same height as the camera. So this looks about right. This is where DJI really shines in, I can literally set the controller down and it'll stay where it is. So I'm gonna stand where I am and show you the screen. Okay, it seemed to be so with the Master Airscrew props on it, it was bouncing between 77 and 80 decibels. 77 and 80 decibels with me holding it right here. So that was with the Master Airscrews. Now we're gonna swap them out and try it with the DJI original propellers, props, and see how it does. Okay, and so to make this a fairly fair test, I realize this isn't the most scientific setup, but to keep it as even as possible, the props that I'm using now are DJI props, and they have never been crashed. They aren't nicked or anything like that. They're in excellent shape. And that's the same thing with the props I just used that came from Master Airscrew. So, you know, I'm not using one that's been warped or bent out of shape. So let's bring this guy over here. Okay. Try to get it right in about the same spot. And now let's see how we're doing here. Okay, so the DJI props were bouncing mostly between 80 and 83. I did see it hit 84 a couple times, and I did see it hit 79 a couple of times, but really 80 to 83, whereas the Master Airscrew props were bouncing between 77 and 80. So their advertised 2 decibels of difference actually was a little bit less than what it actually was. They feel a little bit more substantial, honestly, than the original props. They're very smooth, they're very shiny, and the thing I love about the orange is that they are actually very easy to see. And if you're flying with other folks that are flying a Mavic Air 2 or any other DJI drone, and there's lots of them out there, they make your quad very distinguishable and easy to spot. One other thing I really like doing is putting a mix of colors with like orange in the back and black in the front, or blue or something like that. It's kind of fun. Now, you don't really want to mix the Master Airscrew props with the original DJI props. They're just slightly different, and you could fly that way, but you're not going to get optimal performance from either of them. It's unfair to both sets of props if you try to do that. So I recommend you can mix colors, but don't mix the different types of props if you want your drone to fly at an optimal performance. As I mentioned, I've been using Master Airscrew props since the original Mavic Pro and have never had any problems with them coming off, breaking, anything like that. And I would say too, they come in a set of 4. So if you're gonna get some, I'd recommend you buy 8, because you don't wanna mix them with DJI props. You wanna use all Master Airscrew or all DJI props on your quad at one time. So by getting 8, you'll have some spare Master Airscrews, and you can also do this cool thing with your colors. They also come in red and black, I believe, for this guy here. They are available for the Mavic Pro 2. They are available for this guy here, the Mavic Air 2. They are available for the Phantom. They make them for a whole bunch of DJI quads, as well as for airplanes and things like that. They've been doing this a long time. It's all they do is make air screws. So if you like this video and you want to know more, there's a link below to buy these guys here. And I'd love to hear your comments on what you think about Master Airscrew props. I really appreciate you watching today and hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time on Ready, Set, Drone.